Hey, Curious Cubs, today we're going to explore the magical world of magnets. Do you know what pulls things like magic? Let's find out. Stick with us. It's going to be magnetic. A magnet is an object that can attract certain materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. That means it pulls them in, just like magic. But really, it's science. A long time ago, in a place called Magnesia in ancient Greece, people found a rock that could pull metal things. It was called a lodestone, and it was the first natural magnet. And guess what? That's where the word magnet comes from. Natural magnets are found in nature, like lodestone. They're made from a mineral called magnetite. But most magnets we use are man-made. We make them in different shapes, like bars, horseshoes, circles, and they're stronger than natural ones. Let's look at some cool magnet powers. Magnets have two poles, north and south. Opposite poles attract, north plus south equals love. Same poles repel, north plus north equals push away. Magnets only attract certain materials, like iron. Try it, paper, spoon, and guess what? You can make a magnet by rubbing iron with a strong magnet. Magnets are all around us. Fridge magnets for your favorite drawings. In speakers to help make sound. In phones and computers, tiny magnets help store data. In compasses, to help you find direction. North Pole says hi. Even trains use magnets to fly. That's called a maglev train, super fast and super cool. Want to try something cool? Here's a magic magnet trick for you. Put a paper clip on the table. Now hide a magnet under the table, move it and watch the clip move like it's alive. Super fun, super safe. The Earth is a giant magnet. That's why compasses work. A magnet can work through paper, cloth, even plastic. Some animals, like birds and turtles, use the Earth's magnetic field to travel. Let's see how much you remember. Question 1. What kind of magnet is found in nature? A. Bar magnet, B. Lodestone, or C. Magneto? The answer is B. Lodestone. Question 2. What do opposite poles do? A. Dance, B. Push away, or C. Attract each other? The answer is C. Attract. And finally, name one thing at home that uses magnets. Accept any correct answers. Fridge, speaker, etc. Great job, Curious Cubs. You're magnet masters now. Thanks for joining us in this magnetic adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your curious friends. And remember, stay curious, stay smart, and keep exploring. Bye-bye.